C, 1K, Polo Joe, murder. Young nigga growing up on some grown man shit. Watch me shake 'em up, step back and blow a switch. All my niggas, yeah, they own, even ones that deal with bricks. I come through, fuck shit up and then dismiss. 1K, those my niggas for sure. Niggas pulling capers, guess they different than hoes, but all these hoes the same, like cola and coca, bread and dough, or CNCO. That's me, now tell me where I went wrong. Young nigga 13 with big dreams, at 14 became known. If anywhere I know the way home, I seen it all going up, a nigga cried but moved on. But now I finally got my weight up, can't wait up for paper, I need that. Family, I gotta feed that. Same niggas used to be talking like, yeah, see what? Now they on my dick, I'm the future, they can see that. Now they trying to get with C at. I did it as a youngin', this levels, you can't repeat that. Fake ass nigga, you're phony where your receipt at. These bitches trying to fuck, asking me where to meet at. I'm who they be at, niggas and all, but I came from the bottom like a baby that crawled. I threw it off the bad board, now they wantin' the wall. Now she wantin' my draw, shit, it can't quit. My niggas, they reppin' one click. 1K, them niggas don't take no shit. The whole hit, now we send it out the door quick. If a nigga stressin', I tell them that's what your hoe get. We can take it there, I got niggas that blow the poles quick. And they don't miss, they love it, they be so focused. Hoes love a nigga, Ray Allen the way I stroke it. I gave her the D, now she say I am the dopest. I am penicillin, y'all Motrin. Hey, hey. RP to Rick, man. RP to Rick, nigga. Hey, check, check. I'm coming on like this, you feel me? Yeah. Y'all gon' feel this one. If you don't, fuck it. Kill in the beat, then beat the murder case and shootin' when we pull up like Urkelway. I be so high like Urkelway. If a bitch a dime, I'll take her to the lamb and eat it. You can call that dinner date. On time cause I'm never late. She'll choose me over you cause you a lame and you like to hate. And I be on my grind every day cause I wanna be one of the greatest like Jay-Z or Wayne. I do what I want and you do what you can do. My talk game is sick, I got handles. Tell a fucking shooter never running out of ammo. These niggas real creep, they in the skies like camo. So I be by myself in the studio. I love the fucking studio. I will forever remain faithful to the studio. You looking for K-Weezy, man, I bet he at the studio. I flip her then tip her for that good head though. I tell her second heart attack, I get that from my uncle. Trap house flow, I'm going bonkers. Cause the trap house be going bonkers. I done fucked the bitch in the Honda, the backseat of the Honda. Yep, I'll rock your boat like a Leo. You better keep it still, this shit been real in the field. These niggas some cats, I'm a dog. I never been the type to fuck with y'all, cause y'all niggas ain't right in your flaw. See, I be on the land with my fam. After 10 o'clock it's going down. Call us some thoughts, we dig them down. Playing with my grounds, man, down. Ask your bitch, she know I'm the man. 1K, she know about the clan. She know I go hard for my man. Gotta get this deal for my man, and that's the only motherfucking plan. R.I.P. to Rick, man. Straight up, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Shout out to the guys, man. Let y'all feel that, bitch.